Auspicious dates for Garbha Sanskar in 2017. Described in ancient Sanskrit texts, the rite of passage for human life, that is Sanskar, is bifurcated into 48 texts for Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism and Sikhism, of which 16 are for Hinduism. What is Sanskar? These sanskars are basics of attitude, character or behavioral attributes that exist as default from birth or culminated by an individual over their lifetime. Garbha represents womb and sanskar means rites of passage. Together it symbolizes the journey of life inside womb. What does Garbha Sanskar include? Right from the intent to a fetus conception and until and after its birth, Garbha Sanskara compiles the rituals of including its fetus education inside the womb, its growth, nourishment, ceremonies related to its arrival and post-birth like Mundan, Namkaran, etc. Understanding. In simple words, Garbha Sanskar also includes knowledge which simply enlightens about the transitional experience where the couple engages in establishing sexual relations with an intention to bear a progeny. Inauspicious period as per Garbha Sanskar. I had previously informed you about the 3 inauspicious days when a couple must not copulate to conceive, something which Garbha Sanskar is comprehensible about. Auspicious days for conception 2017. Every year, planetary positions change, bringing with them diverse impact on several zodiac signs, individuals per se. So today I am going to share with you auspicious dates of 2017 which are considered promising for conceiving a child. How does it affect us? The following are the Shukla Paksha Vedic days to consider for conceiving. Beyond that, days and dates not mentioned must be avoided. A child conceived on or within the auspicious period is blessed with a good soul, explains Garbha Sanskar. Prayer for Garbha Dhana. Also, the sacred texts mention once a couple is aware of pregnancy, they must chant the Garbha Dhana Samskara prayer to purify pregnancy, seeking good health and sound mind for the baby. January. Between 1st and 12th and 28th to 31st. February. From 1st to 10th and 27th to 28th. March. From 1st to 10th and on 27th and 28th. April. Between 1st and 11th and 27th to 30th. May. Between 1st to 10th and 26th to 31st. June. From 1st to 9th and 24th to 30th. July. From 1st to 8th and 24th to 31st. August. Between 1st to 7th and 22nd to 31st. September. Between 1st to 6th and 21st to 30th. And as Pitru Paksha is from 7th to 20th September, so one should not conceive in this period. October. Between 1st to 5th and 20th to 31st. November. From 1st to 4th and 19th to 30th. December. Between 1st to 3rd and 19th to 31st. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.